Hi, I'm Tatiana, and today you'll discover the ease and convenience of paying for your bus or train fare using the RideMETRO fare system. It's the easy way to ride. This ultra-modern fare system offers fast and easy payment options for paying for Metro services, such as reusable fare cards and our full-service mobile app. Here's how it works. The RideMETRO fare system lets you easily tap and pay your bus or train fare using your RideMETRO fare card, a credit card, or debit card. Even contactless fare payments by scanning a QR code, using the mobile app on your smartphone, or a wearable OS device, such as an Apple Watch or Google Pixel Watch. Both offer the convenience of tapping or scanning to pay your Metro fare. And while you can't tap cash, we still accept bills and coins at all Metro ticket vending machines and on board every Metro bus. The secret to the RideMETRO fare system is our real-time cloud-based technology that makes it simple to get a card, check your balance, and load money onto your account with ease. To use the RideMETRO fare card, just tap it each time you board. For your convenience, RideMETRO fare cards are available at all Metro Ride stores, ticket vending machines, online at RideMETRO.org, and from a growing network of retailers throughout the Houston region. Look for the red, white, and blue cards at your favorite grocery store or participating retailer. Visit RideMETRO.org/retailers for locations near you. You can also use your mobile app to pay your Metro fare instead of using a physical RideMETRO card. Just download the RideMETRO app to get started. It's free from your app store. Once you've created an account, you'll have the option of loading money onto your physical card, or slide right within the app and convert it to a digital card. When ready to pay, just tap the icon at the top right corner of the app and your scannable QR code will appear instantly. When ready, simply scan the QR code underneath the bright red validator before boarding. The red fare validators are posted at all Metro rail stations and on board our local and park and ride buses. Plus, every time you use your RideMETRO card, you'll earn rewards just for paying your fare, like one free ride for every 10 paid taps of your card. Because RideMETRO is a cloud-based system, any funds you add to your account are available instantly. Plus, if you have multiple family members using the system, you can add and manage their cards under one account through the RideMETRO app. These are just a few of the ways the RideMETRO fare system makes paying your fare easier and more convenient. When it comes to moving about Houston, we want you to choose Metro. This is your RideMETRO fare system. It's the new way to ride. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the system. Learn more about the RideMETRO fare system by visiting RideMETRO.org/fare system.